Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Google Sheet workflow automation. In this automation, we are trying to build a set of files so that we have a master file, which is the project grade files, and then the student files, which will get linked to this master file. And every time a new score is there or a grade is there, that will get updated as well. So let me give you a quick download on the steps. So first of all, we have a column for the student ID, a student name, email addresses, and then criteria, which you can always change to subject as well, maybe subject 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 11 spaces available, and then there is a final grade, which you can always enter manually, or we can have a setup a formula as well. So once you have multiple students available, whereas the email addresses are very important because the system will generate based on the it will generate the files and send the emails for each student separately so that no other student can see the scores of any other student. So what it will do, for example, if we have 3 email addresses available, though we have 5 students, so if I'll generate, click this button, create a new student file. So what it will do, it will go back to the folder where the rest of the files are available, which are two files. One is the main project and one is the student grade template. So based on this template, it will create the multiple student files available files only for those whose email addresses are available. So you can see three files have been generated, and if I'll open any of the file, which a student can always do, so you can see the student 1 is ST001, name is Ali Khan, and there are empty criteria and then final grades. Similarly, if we open the second file, which by the way automatically generated, and you can see the name of the student at the bottom as well, and there will be an email sent to that student on this email address that you have been given a link so that you can see your grades. So if I'll open the third file, you can see the student 3 and no scores are available. In the second step, you can always click on this push grade now, and what it will do, whatever the grades are available in here, those will get pushed into the relevant student file. So if I'll click on this push student grades, and if I jump on the file, you can see the student 3, student 2 and student 1 all have the grades updated. Now if I'll change the grades, let me give you a quick random number, a lower number, so that we can see some changes. Let me average these out. Now it's on you if you want to have the average out or the maximum or the minimum, whatever you like. So we can always set the formula for this. Sorry. Alright, so now a score have been lowered. If I'll click on the push grades now, you will see the score will get updated. See, the numbers are updated, and you don't need to press the button every time, but there is another option available. So you can set an hourly push automatically as well. So if you click on this, it will ask you how many hours after you want to push it, so you can always click 1. So anytime you will update this, the score will get updated automatically in after 1 hour, and you just need, now you don't need to do this every time. These are all one time things. So create the files only for the students which does not have the files. This is every time you are adding new student, you need to run this. Then push grade now, you don't need to do that, because if you want to do it right now, you can click that. Otherwise you just need to change the scores, and the grade will pushed in the next hourly update. So this is how it will work. By the way, the student will get their uh, emails as well. Let me show you the. So this is the email format for each student they will receive. Dear Hamza Iqbal, your individual project grades sheet have been created, and you can click on this. Please keep this link private, and they will see a grade file as well as link file. So they can simply click on this, and the link file will get opened. This is an older email, by the way. Let me open a new file. Alright, so this is the latest file 3 minutes ago, which I just generated for this demo. So you can see Hamza Iqbal has the scores available, and I think this is pretty much it, and it's very simplified. let's have a discussion on this, and if you want to improve anything, heading changes or anything else, maybe a grading system or anything else you would like to change, so that I can give you the download as well, so that how this setup will work in once available in your Google Drive. So that is it from my side. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.